back to Loveless channel. This is your Lovely. This is your front L.
Hi! Paki-drive ko, be?
Chili sencha. What else do we need? We have Maui for the macaroni. We bought two. And then we have Prego. This is for the spaghetti. And then we have this one for midnight snacks. For midnight snacks. And then we have mushrooms for our creamy chicken leg later. Oh, yan,
And what about that?
and this one. This is also for our
You do like this? Do you do like this? Like that?
What else do we need? We have it all. You have it all.
Hi sa akong vlog. Hi vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. It's your girl, Elle.
It's your girl. Huh? Video.
I got pictures. We have two.
What's that? What's our menu for today?
We are going to have creamy chicken with mushroom.
Kita ani. So first step, guys, mag-saute sa
We have two sauté Italian garlic and onions, and then
some other ingredients. Materials about.
materials ba?
So, isaute siya.
Yes.
Isaute siya.
That you have to add in the chicken, and then let it simmer for 5 minutes.
Behind the scene.
Waiters, we are the waiters.
Kami ang mga behind the scene. Mga naghuwat.
5 minutes.
After waiting for the chicken to simmer, add
Soy sauce.
fish and water.
No, it's a soy sauce.
Add water and soy sauce.
A generous amount of water.
For the water, kay pinaka-cup.
1 glass of water. And then
I can see the blood.
season it. Oh, simmer pa man siya. Another 3 minutes.
So simmer, add mushrooms.
Now you can use any mushrooms of your liking.
After that, how many minutes to wait for the mushroom?
And then after adding the mushroom, you have to add
Whipped cream.
whipped cream.
If you don't have whipped cream, you can just use Nestle cream.
May ambag. After 10 minutes of letting all the ingredients to the creamy chicken with saan cream until
mag-foamy siya.
limpyo wala.